Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The HDMI cable that's included with your PS5 is the recommended one you use. But if you need a new one or want another one, use any ultra-high-speed HDMI cable that supports HDMI 2.1. A standard HDMI cable works but isn't ideal, especially if you want to future-proof. 11 November 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
1.5 meters. The PlayStation's HDMI cable included in the box is 1.5 meters in length. This should be long enough for the average user. You should use the HDMI cable that comes with the PlayStation 5 because it supports HDMI 2.1, which will allow you to make the most of the next-gen hardware.
Make your mark, take our lead.
HDMI 2.1 is still in very early stages. Only a few TVs and receivers have it, and the PS5 doesn't even support variable refresh rate yet. Sony says it's coming in a future update. If you're in the market for a new TV anyway, HDMI 2.1 is definitely worth having. I just wouldn't upgrade for HDMI 2.1 alone. 24 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.